Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to fix Windows installation encountered an unexpected error, then let's look at the following solutions. The first option would be is to check the system requirements of the application. So let's click on Microsoft Store and we will look, look to install Instagram, for example. So we will look for system requirements, and this shows all the system requirements are in green, which means I can install this application and I won't get this error message. The second option is to run a Windows memory diagnostic tool. So what can we do? Press the Windows button and R, and we have to type md sched, press OK, and we press restart now and check for problems. This will shut down the computer, run the diagnostic, and then restart the computer. Now the third option is to run a check disk scan. So for this we have to go to look for command prompt, right click, run as administrator, click yes, and enter the command chkdsk /f /r, press enter and press Y and enter. This should resolve the problem. If nothing else works, then folks, we have to use an alternate USB port. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.